Hello friends, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now, as always, those who have been seeing my channel for a long time, you already know that I am a doctor by profession, but I love clicking photos, and this channel is about earning from your photographs by submitting them online into multiple stock photography agencies. So if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing and checking all the links in the description so that you can sign up, you can learn what are the step-by-step processes in those agencies. Everything is there in my channel. But for those who have already been here for a long time and for the newcomers also, today's video is about my total earning from the month of April 2023. Now I'll be checking out the earning with you guys because I have a computer screen on where I'll be looking at, and I'll show you what are the earnings from various agencies, and later I'll add them up and I will get a total number. Alright, anytime if you want to know the name of the agencies, you can pause down, you can look into the description. All the agencies are named, the referral links are given, you can sign up and you can start uploading your photos to earn for free. Again, my total amount of portfolio, the number of images in my portfolio across all agencies is around 3,300 images. I personally have built a portfolio around 2 years back, and since then I have not uploaded regularly at all. So whatever you will be seeing is totally my passive income. So that being said, the first agency from which I earned this month is Picxy. You can see April 13th and I have earned 56 rupee. That amounts around $half. In Picxy you earn in Indian money 200 rupee and they give the commission 14%. So for a sale of 200 rupees, it's 56 rupee, which is almost a bit more than $1.50, right? Next, 123 RF. In 123 RF I had only one sale on, you can see this on the 28th of April, and the amount was $0.22 US. That's it. Next, in big stock photo in the whole month I had only one sale, and as you know, in big stock one sale gives you $0.25. Well, if you find these earnings to be very less, please hold on, because I start from the least and I go to the most, right? Next, Dreamstime. In Dreamstime, total in the last month of April 2023 I had 4 sales and my total earning was $3.03 US. All right. Next, my earning in deposit photos was $10.33 US. All right, total earning for the month of April. Better than deposit photos is iStock photo. I always make a separate video for iStock earning, but this month I was busy during that time around 20th. So for the month of March, actually iStock, what is this thing? It displays the earning of the previous month on the 20th of this month. So I always, not me, everyone always considers iStock earning of last month with this month only, because this is the month where it will be reflected in my bank account when I cross $100. So for iStock, my total sale was $19.97 US. Better than iStock was this agency, Adobe Stock, where my total earning for the month of April, I have adjusted the dates, from the start date 1st April to 30th of April, the amount of money I earned was $27.41 US. All right. Next, the third best was indeed Pond5. This was unexpected because Pond5 mainly is a video agency and I have a very less number of images in my video portfolio. Well, you can see in Pond5 my total earning, one clip sold $9.87, and there was some additional revenue. So what is additional revenue? It means someone already brought my clip earlier with a big value. Now they have upgraded their licenses. So instead of purchasing it the next time, they have just upgraded for extended license or that kind of stuff. In that case, the image doesn't give you the website doesn't give you the exact value, but it gives you the commission that you deserve. So it is a justice to the contributor. So from that I'll add up, but it's definitely more than this value, $27. Okay. So next, in case of Shutterstock, my earning was for the month of April $30.74 US. And lastly, the best for the month of April 2023, the top earner in my portfolio is Wirestock with a sale value of 56.51 US dollar. Well, the beauty of Wirestock is for the other agencies you need to upload, you need to mention the category, you need to type a title, keyword, description, but in Wirestock you can simply upload and forget. If you use the auto submission feature, which I use, again you can see upgrade option is available here because I am not a pro user. I have not upgraded. My total portfolio over here is very less. On the other agencies it is 3,300 and over here it's only 722. Okay, so you can get an idea how good Wirestock is compared to other agencies, and if you again need guide regarding Wirestock, what is the link to sign up to Wirestock, everything is given in my description. You can check the link, you can watch my step-by-step guide. Everything is there in the channel. So if you ask what is the total amount, I haven't added up, but I'll just bring up the on-screen calculator and I'll add it for you guys. $57.24 plus 57.24. So this is the total earning, $176.74 US dollar. It's not huge, but considering I am not doing anything, I'm not uploading any photo right now for the past maybe 1 year, this is a great amount, right? This amounts can slowly add up and you can invest in camera, you can invest in lens, whatnot. For me, I have accumulated my money and I have already made a video. I have bought a Galaxy S23 Ultra from my passive income. Okay, yeah, that's true. Anyway, so considering the amount in Indian money, let's see how much it translates to Indian money. It's around 14,465 rupee. Okay, so please let me know whether you like this video or not by giving it a thumbs up. Please let me know what is your earning, and believe me, most of my subscribers who started with me or after me and who are regular contributors earn much more than me. I'm just your guide, I'm showing you the way, but please know that being a doctor I don't have much time, and now I do have a small baby for which I don't get time at all to click, and I do get time to click, but most of my photos are of my baby and family photos. I don't get time to shoot professionally using professional lights, I don't get time to upload, but still I am enjoying reaping the benefits of a portfolio which was hard work in my end for the last 3.5 years. Alright, so please, if you have watched this video till now, please type the code word hard work in the comment section. I will know that you have watched this video till now. Very soon I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye and take care.